So we out here in the middle of nowhere, you feel me? It's snowing. It's negative 20 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm here with Miss Norfolk. Once again, y'all may remember her from the last video. So we're doing a snow photo shoot in the forest. We're in Beverly Hills, California right now. I have no gloves on, that's how you know it's real. She got a $1,000 coat on, so she good. I'm using the 2-light setup, feel me? High speed sync. Get some amazing results. Feel me? I'm just gonna get right into it. Basically what I'm doing is, I got them 180 from each other. So when this hits over here, all this behind it will be shadow. This light will fill this, give a rim light on the back side of this. Hopefully, opposite off the environment. We got the snow coming down, so the backlight will capture that better, and you can see the snow better. Let's get it. Look away. 3, 2, 1.
Pulling in, back up.
These are sweet. Alright, I'm gonna get some couple full body ones. Kind of like turn a little bit. What they call it, 3/4?
3/4? Yeah.
I was watching America's Next Top Model.
Yeah, it's 3/4.
Y'all be watching that?
Yeah.
She do. I just started. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, I like that. That's cute. Yeah, I like that.
My backlight's a little bit too bright, so I'm gonna raise this one up and then bring my shutter speed up so it drops down, but this one keeps the same exposure. If that makes sense. I'm sorry if I suck at it.
It was to other people, but not to me.
It brings down my my ambient exposure, but it's getting dark anyway, so it doesn't matter for real. Get another one. 3, 2, 1. Turn up a little bit. 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna rotate a little bit this way just to get a different background because I got this over here a couple times when we get this. So I'm gonna move my lights accordingly. I'm going full body. Full angle. Nice. 3, 2, 1. So I'm gonna get you in this walkway right here. I'm shooting it this way now. 3, 2, 1.
Damn, I actually looked at the light.
One more time. 3, 2, 1. It's some cold.
Yeah.
I'm basically gonna move you farther down. That way I can shoot through these branches and get like some foreground elements in it. You feel me?
Hey, that's about to fall.
Shit.
I like the little run that you did to try to catch it though.
I really did try. I see it fall.
So I use sandbags. So basically I'm shooting through these branches to get some foreground elements to make it a little bit more interesting. Problem with that is the focus, so I'm changing.
Mine's not even focusing.
I'm changing the center point so I can focus on her and then move it down while holding focus still. I'll pop the shot. 3, 2, 1. You see a lower angle, see if that changes anything. 3, 2, 1. That, but look up at the light. Okay, 3, 2, 1. These branches right here for foreground element. Just poke myself in the eye. 3, 2, 1. Three, two, 1. Yeah. I'm just gonna do like a chest out this time. You still looking back. 3, 2, 1.
Should I turn more?
Simple down. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
My nails not done.
Begin this one.
Okay, then.
3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. And I think we're good. Wrap. Should we do closing remarks?
Yeah. Do that again.
That's right.
That was out of
Get the
focus, so
light.
it didn't get it, but it's fine.
Such an amateur channel.
Don't say that.